Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from a recent live webinar that I conducted. Grace asks, is it still advisable to invest in properties in Metro Manila despite the pandemic? Definitely yes. For me, Metro Manila is still the best place to invest despite the pandemic. Why? Always go back to the fundamentals. Where is the concentration of office and infrastructure developments, both now and in the foreseeable future? For office or business establishments, most large local and multinational companies are based in Metro Manila. Do you foresee them moving out in the near future? I don't think so. Big developers continue to invest heavily in new office spaces in Metro Manila, both within major CBDs and newly emerging estates, which will continue the high demand for real estate. For infrastructure projects, Metro Manila has multiple major infrastructure projects that will benefit the population immediately upon completion. Mass transportation projects such as the subway line and both new MRT and LRT lines or stations will also make travel so much easier. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.